So after finishing this certification request, we go ahead and check for the CSR, the certificate signing request file. As you can see, here's the generated file, and this content should be sent either to a third-party certification authority like GoDaddy, uh, GoDaddy.com, VeriSign.com, VeriSign.com, or GlobalSign.com, GlobalSign. Okay. So they will receive your CSR file and send you via mail, let's say, the certificates files in order to install them and start use them with your website and web server, excuse me, and the clients in your organization. So the second alternative is to install a server certificate authority and locally, and this is possible via installing this web or this server role, which is the Active Directory Certificate Services. So let's move and choose the certification authority, and I will install a standalone certification authority. It will be the root, of course, and I will create a new private key. If you have already an existing private key, then you can choose this alternative. But in our case, we will create a new private key. In the next page or the next form, I will choose the cryptographic service provider. I will leave this by default, as well as the key size, and I will choose as a hash algorithm the MD4, MD5, or yes, the MD5, and I will leave all this parameter as they are, except this one. I will choose 20 years or instead of 5. I will leave this the location under C, Windows System 32, cert log. And as you can see here, the name and the domain is very important to recall that. The domain settings of this computer cannot be changed after certification authority has been installed. And this means that you cannot change the computer name after installing the certification authority. So let's hit install, and I will come back later on when the certificate authority server is installed. As you can see now, the installation succeeds, so I will close and go ahead to discover the new installed role. And here's our certification authority. Now I will right click this all tasks and choose submit new request, and I will browse to the certificate folder where the CSR or the certificate signing request is located. I will select it and go ahead and double click the pending request. And as you can see here, here's our pending request, and I can browse the properties and the attributes. This is the key usage, the enhanced key usage, authority information request, the key identifier, and the other information about the certificate. So I will go ahead and issue this certificate by hitting issue. And here is our certificate. It is issued. Now let's go ahead and try to use this certificate in order to secure our web server.